Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to adjust spatial sound on the JBL Quantum 650. This option is only available in the PC app on Mac OS or Windows, not on phones. Open the Quantum Engine app where you'll find the spatial sound settings. First, enable the feature by clicking the toggle. You can then change the room size from the default medium to large or small. Click More to adjust settings like head diameter and room size. The default head diameter is 20 cm, but you can customize it or reset it anytime.